Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. So today we're going to talk about some stuff like my hair and so forth, so stay tuned. So for those who are new, welcome, and for those who are old and has been here for a while, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I made any videos, but I've been a busy bee. Anyways, let's talk about this hair right now. So as you guys seen in previous videos, I dyed my hair with L'Oreal HiColor in copper and red. About a month ago, I did a apple cider vinegar rinse just to get rid of any gunk or anything in my locks. And what happened is it took out the color. So right now, this is the color you see currently. This is what it's giving. Some like, I don't know what color this is. It's like a orangey copper with some other stuff going on, but yeah, I recently got a retighten. I wanted to wait until I get this retighten before I colored my hair again. So I'll be coloring my hair very soon. So stay tuned for that in the next coming weeks. But for now, this is my hair color. I'm gonna take this thing off so you can see my hair. So this is how my hair currently looks. Let me center the part a bit. Yeah, so this is how, put my phone on vibrate. Sorry, I'm getting notifications. But this is how my hair currently looks. It's nice and neat. It's this, I don't know what color to call this, but it's something washed out color, but it still looks okay. Like, it's still okay, to tell you the honest truth, but I would definitely love to color it. I had to treat my hair a bit and stuff like that, so I'm not too quick on coloring right away once I do a color, because I don't want to damage my hair. So I give myself space between colors as to why I don't color it that often. I make the color come out, fade, or grow out, and then that's when I decide to recolor again. So I've been getting a lot of questions in my DMs and on YouTube about like coloring the hair and you know, with already pre-colored hair. So the L'Oreal HiColor that I use is basically for dark hair. So, but you can still use it on my hair. It's just that especially the brighter parts, but it's just that you have to make sure you take note of the roots first, like the black areas, and that once those areas start to lift a bit and take the color, that's when you put to the ends. Otherwise you're gonna have brighter ends and darker roots. So I hope that helps. I'm not a licensed esthetician, so please don't how would you say it? Don't carry no belly for me if it not come out good, okay? All right, but or not up me up because it don't come out good. I'm just showing you how I do it. And if you have any previous hennas or dyes on your hair, take that in consideration before you do the color, especially if it's a darker color. You want to get a color corrector to lift the hair color, or some people use powder bleach to lift the hair color back off. It's up to you. I wouldn't use bleach per se. I would do the color corrector if I really need to, but the color range that I want to stay in, I don't need the color corrector. I mean, maybe if I was going blonde, which I've done before, I would definitely use a color corrector to move the rest of this color off, completely off my hair. But I'm not going blonde, so that's not needed for me. But yes, if you do have sister locks, please consult with your consultant first before you color your sister locks, because there can be slippage, especially if your locks are not mature. Even with my locks being mature for 3 years now, I do get slips here and there. So you just have to be careful. For those who are loose naturals or have permed hair and doing color, before you do a color, look at your hair ends and make sure that your hair is trimmed and healthy so that it doesn't become more damaged. I'm just doing my thing, and I thank you guys again for following me, for you know, watching my videos, watching the process. But the next color, I'm not going to do a video about how I do the process because it's going to be similar process. It might be the same, might be different color, I don't know yet. It depends on how I feel. I mean, if it's drastically different, I will do a tutorial on it. But yeah, so this is the update of my hair. It is nice and soft, it's healthy. It's grown a lot for those who've been following me a while now. It's grown a lot. It's grown a lot. It has this color I told you going on because that's just how it is. But I'll spin in my chair. I don't want to knock everything over, but so you can see. Yeah, so this is basically how it's looking now. Yeah, so it has a good length on it. Sorry guys, let me, whoop, there we go. It has a good length on it. It's not too long yet. It's growing. Not too short. I mean, I can do some cute styles with it. I'll put some inserts on some styles that I've done. It's just basic hairband in my workout clothes. Gonna work out a little bit later, so as to why I'm not really styling it right now, but it can go up in one. You see how much growth I've had since my last video where I colored it? Like, my hair has grown tremendously. Hold on, let me turn so you guys can see the back without knocking everything down. So this is the back. Yeah, so my hair has grown tremendously. And, you know, I'm loving it. I'm loving it this time around. I didn't even part it properly, but it's okay. But yeah, I had a few locks on this side that I had to join because they were a little bit small, which is okay. Like, oh my god, you're grid, sis, who cares? At the end of the day, I'm trying to make my hair look fly. I don't really care about the grid. Like, I have my sister locks, I have a grid, but it doesn't have to be perfect because I'd rather my hair be intact and look really great than a perfect grid, because at the end of the day, if you haven't that grid and your hair is falling out, then what's the sense? You're gonna have like short hairs here and there. You gotta do what's best for you, and at that time, connecting some of them on this side, because they're really tiny on that side for some reason, was a good idea. So sticking to it, and that's what I said, I'm sticking to it. Yes, sis. So yes, yeah, so that's basically an update on my hair. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed my video and my update. Oh, there's a really good recipe for those who have color in locks, out of locks, permed hair, doesn't matter. Once you're doing color, like, there's a really good recipe to keep your hair moisturized and deep conditioned that I've seen on somebody else's YouTube. I can't remember, but I'll put the link in my bio so you can see. But basically, they did like a conditioner with aloe vera. Like, they just put in a conditioner with aloe vera, coconut oil, aloe vera conditioner, and some like castor oil, but I didn't have castor oil, so I just used like, I used my mango lime oil as in replace for the castor oil. What else did they put in there? I can't remember, but I put like peppermint in mine, and yeah, that's what I put in mine. Blend it up in the blender to make sure it's all nice. And then for those who have locks and don't want the aloe vera to stick to your locks, sis, you gotta strain it. So I strained it and put on my locks, let it sit for an hour, do my thing, you know, put like a shower cap on, and then put a towel over my head to keep it warm, because like I have a steamer, but I didn't want to be sitting around for an hour doing nothing, so I made sure to put a towel on instead, walk around the house, do some chores, clean up, so it would be easier. So that's what I did, and I found my hair to be really soft after. Really soft, really like it's just the that I need. So like definitely those who have color, please try this recipe. Also, for those who don't know about low porosity, please go and find out about low porosity, high porosity, medium porosity. Those are good things to know about your hair type, so you know what your hair loves and you know the right products to put in it, because the products for me or that person might not be the product for you. So for me, I think it's low porosity, they call it. Yeah, where if you put my hair in water, my hair is staying at the top. It's hard to absorb water, hard to absorb products, hard to absorb moisturizers, and so forth. So with low porosity hair, you have to basically, when I'm putting any product in my hair, I do it before I take a shower. That way the product can go into my hair once I'm in a warm shower and it just penetrates into my hair. Because if I don't do that, basically the products I put in my hair will just sit on it and not penetrate in it. I do the routine with my moisturizer. So I use mango lime oil, and I use TGIN, like leave-in conditioners. One is rosemary and one is a strengthening conditioner. Both leave-ins, they're alright. Like, they're not the best that I've used. I really want to try on my hair because I haven't tried it. I tried it when my hair was like loose natural, but I really like Shea Moisture's Curl Souffle Gel. That my hair was loving that. So I want to try that on my locks and see how it goes. So when I do get that, I will do a review and let you guys know how it did on my locks. Anybody who's come into my channel, welcome again. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. Like, come on, you can't keep it all to yourself. I came for everybody, so bring it, okay? Bring it. Anyways, nice having a little chit chat. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Stay blessed and safe, and enjoy your life to the fullest. Don't let nobody dim your light. Peace.